Kings and Queens. Once again, this is host MJ, owner of Reina Vieira Events Co. And right now, we are here at the new Dapo Restaurant and Bar to actually host another event. Ayan. So, we will be hosting Vince's 18th birthday party. And of course, sama ko naman natin napasipag na coordinator, Sir Nel.
What?
Yeah, so fresh bago ang start ng event. But yeah, later we will show you. We already talked sa mami ni Celebrant and later we will start the program. Right, so we're getting in.
Most of the time, kasama ko na nag-quarantine pa. Yung successful kasi. That's my silence.
Kakain ako sa'yo. Parang hindi mo responsible.
Alright, drink up!
I did never get your
Yeah, we are grateful and thank you guys for coming tonight. You may stay for our after party. Thank you so much and God bless you everyone. Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much for hosting our party. There you have it, everyone. We will again finish a successful event here at the new Dapo Restaurant and Bar. Yan. So, again, we celebrated Vince's 18th birthday and they totally enjoyed the program and of course our celebrant. And we were also added a video review yan, all from Mommy. Anyway, once again, thank you so much sa aking napakasipag na coordinator, Sir Nel. Ayan. That's it. See you again on our next video event.